Hi everyone, Vanessa here from VanessaKnits. I wanted to do a quick video tutorial to show you how to do the cable cast on to add stitches under your arm of your Calvin sweater. So I'm at the point in the pattern where I've knit across the front panel one more time, and it indicates that I need to remove my sleeve stitches, which I've done, put it on a scrap piece of yarn, and it says to cable cast on 6 stitches. So this is how it's done. You're going to actually turn your whole sweater around and work onto the wrong side of your work. So now your working yarn is on your left-hand needle. So to do a purlwise cable cast on, this is how it goes. The first stitch you're going to purl normal, so into the front leg, purl it, pull through, and you're going to place it on your left-hand needle. So you've just cast on 1 stitch. Now for the next 5 stitches, it's a bit different. You're going to actually be working into this space in between these 2 stitches, not in that front leg. So what that looks like is this. You go in between, purl it, pull it through, and put it back on that left-hand needle. So now you've cast on 2. Do that again. In between, purl, pull it through, put it on that needle. 3. Again slowly in between those 2 stitches, purl, pull it through, place on that left-hand needle. Now notice I'm not pulling these stitches taut, and the reason I do that is if you do it too tight, it's going to be very hard to get your needle in between those 2 stitches. So keep it a little bit looser than you normally would, just to make sure you have enough space to work with. Okay. One thing you'll also notice is that sometimes when you do the cable cast on, when you're putting that yarn back onto your needle, the instructions might have you twist it, like put it the other way. That's more for a decorative edge, and we don't really need that for this purpose because we're looking to just add a sturdy cast on your work, and we don't want the extra bulk of having like a decorative edge here. It's really not needed because you're going to pick up these stitches later for when you do the sleeve. So hope this is helpful. This is how it'll look when you're done doing your cable cast on, and what you'll do is you'll just continue knitting. So you remove these sleeve stitches out of the way and just keep going. And there you go. Happy knitting.